So, now, let's put some clothes on. So you might wonder where I am. Let me just show you. It's early, but I'm heading out to Montreux, Switzerland. Let's go. Oh man, just look at this view. First, let's go to the hotel. Okay, check this out. And check out what I got. A little gift bag. For me. So I'm just walking around in Montreux, Switzerland, hanging out with the lovely folks from Shure and some incredible musicians. So because I had a few hours off, I wanted to make a video. And I wanted to talk about a trend I've been spotting lately. Let's first find a nice place to sit down. So this is the lake, there is my hotel, 13th floor. And guess who's here? Freddie Mercury, baby. Freddie Mercury. Whenever I make a video that's a little bit more advanced or a little bit more difficult than the basic stuff, I get comments saying my video is going too fast or I'm not explaining things correctly. And I wondered why these kind of comments made so little sense to me and frustrated me a little bit. So what's wrong is that they assume that every video I make is made for them, is made to fit their knowledge, their skill set at that particular point. I always try to make content suited for as many people possible. I really want everyone to feel comfortable watching my videos, and I think that's one of the hardest challenges I face, the balance between what I do and do not explain. But let's be realistic, it's not possible to make a video that's suited for everyone watching. I mean, the levels are so different. So I think it's the wrong mentality. I think you should look at yourself instead of the video. Why don't I understand it? At what point of the video am I getting lost? There's not one video that will explain everything. I mean, some will get you far. But it's up to you to complete the puzzle, find the missing pieces. There could be a Wikipedia page, another YouTube video. I mean, this is exactly how I learned to edit videos, how I learned to produce music, and this is exactly the way I will keep on learning and motivating myself. So it seems everything has to be easy nowadays. There are apps made to make guitar playing easier. There are tons of videos dedicated to easy guitar playing, easy, easy, easy. Sure, when you just start out, it can be helpful. But let's be honest. Guitar playing, learning guitar, is not easy. It's about overcoming problems, challenging yourself. Looking for shortcuts is definitely not gonna help. So not to demotivate you, but really trying to inspire. What you need to be doing is quite simple. Play, practice, and learn. And repeat. That's basically it. And please remember, there's absolutely no shame in not knowing or not understanding something the first time round. So it's not really about complaining, it's just my advice to you.
Very amazing, actually. Very relaxing. Got spoiled rotten by the amazing Shure. Great music. Hang out with Paul.
I really want to discuss something that has happened the last few days. I made a video about a copyright infringement that happened to me, and this video kind of blew up. It was shared on Reddit and Twitter, and it even made the BBC News. I got so many awesome responses about the way I handled the matter, and I really want to say thank you for that. And not only to you guys, but also to YouTube. They got a shitstorm of hate in the comment section. They take a lot of heat, but I genuinely think they're doing a great job. I really love YouTube and the way they try to stay relevant, improve their services, try to spot trends, etc, etc. They could be a little more transparent from time to time, but these copyright rules are also made to protect content creators. like me. If they'd focus a little more on that instead of the big corporations, that'd be great. But without YouTube, I wouldn't be where I am right now. Literally. Thanks for that. So I really want to say a big thank you to Shure for having me. Mary Spender from Shure, she invited me. Thank you. Check her out, she's an awesome musician, she has a great YouTube channel as well. Andrew Huang, K Collier, both great musicians, check out their work, it's amazing. So we went to the festival, saw great acts, Massive Attack, Gary Clark Jr. And the overall vibe over here is just, oh man, it's so amazing. Definitely gonna miss this place. Oh, just look at it. And of course, Guy Jones, Joe Dolman, Hannah Trigwell, check them out as well. And thanks to Jamie and Anthony and Jens from Shure for being awesome and fun. So yeah, I think that's about it. Whew, I'm tired.